I am rice. I can help you grow up quickly. Please help me turn into delicious rice balls. The courageous rice is ready to parachute. Wow! The rice has turned into a rice ball. Lady Corn, can I invite some corn kernels to turn into delicious rice balls together?
Sure. Sweet corn is tasty and nutritious.
Help the corn peel off the leaves. Dear pea pods, would you like to join us to turn into the delicious rice balls together? Great! Let's go! What's inside? Peas! Hi! Rice balls are hungry. What do they want to eat? Rice balls want to be dressed up. It's time to eat. I am so full. The rice balls are so tasty. I will eat more rice, and I will grow up soon. I am bell pepper. I can make you healthier. I want to turn into delicious bell pepper eggs and baked rice with bell pepper. The bell peppers are hiding. Can you find them? Wow, so clean.
Hello, eggs. Can you make bell pepper eggs with me?
Yeah, no problem.
Hello, Mr. Rice. Would you like to join us to turn into our delicious bell pepper meal?
Okay, let's do it together. Guess which ingredient is coming? Tasty corns. Yeah, my favorite, cheese cubes. Wow, carrots. Yeah, my favorite, cheese cubes. Wow, carrots. Tasty corns.
La 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 la.
The oven party is starting now. It's time to eat. Bell pepper tastes so good. I like to eat bell pepper. Come and give it a try.